Ooh. I'm back. Face, no games. What's up, guys? Quick little update. Corona is kicking everyone's ass. Car parts finally arriving. More car parts finally arriving. Weather is nice. Don't want to play Warzone all the time or video games. I want to work on cars. So, yeah, I think I'm just going to go with playing games and doing car stuff on this channel. You know, just doing me. Like, it's just, there's too much stuff in the world not to record. It's been a while since we've done anything car-wise or garage-wise. Got my lawn care going back up again. Weather's too nice for that. So I've been busy with that. I've been busy, you know, we had this motor pulled out. I didn't get to record it. It's over there. Quick update on it before I get all crazy with this update video. I just got the new water pump in. Nice and pretty. Timing chain or belt, all the gaskets. Compression checked out good. Motor's been good. Needs to be cleaned, obviously. A couple of buddies came out and helped me. Shout out to Casey, Michael. My brother-in-law and I tore this ugly thing apart. Shout out to him for spending countless hours with it, screaming at it. Everything looks good on it. It's disgusting. It's just dirty. Just gotta replace everything little by little. But now I can order parts because the brakes that were supposed to show up for this car still haven't showed up. They actually canceled the order, so I got to reorder that. But I was going to wait anyways. Might as well do the motor and the trans just to get everything figured out on all that. I don't want to start ordering now and it still take forever because the whole, you know, coronavirus, yeah. But yeah, there's still all the intake stuff over there. I ordered lights for the shitty, ugly lighting that's in here. These halogens, LEDs. I'll have LEDs. My buddy will come over. We'll wire them up. Get some good footage. Work at night. You know, have some good quality. That way, you guys aren't like just watching a dark screen. Another update. Good old Casey boy got himself a gosh darn 5.3 liter Gen 4 block and a camshaft, or not camshaft, a crankshaft, which I don't know if we're going to use that or not. But he's going to make a good old thumper for his Dookie Rango. It's a Dodge POS is what it is. But we're going to pull that old 250,000 mile 360 out of it. Hopefully the trans too. We're going to have a build going on with that. That's to come. That'll be good. But yeah, quick update. I mean, the garage is somewhat cleaner-ish. Kind of. I can bring my car in here. That's pretty cool. All this little puddles and stuff, that's actually radiator. Great car's radiator's leaking like a sieve. Gotta fix it. We're going to be doing a Holy Terminator on this too. When funds come. Interior. We are going to go ahead. I've already done one side panel and it looks really nice. Of course, you know, got back here, it's not the old side panel. We're gonna do a custom dash too. My father-in-law works like a metal shop where he can cut some panels, weld some square tubing, have a panel and then a top panel, some, you know, AC lines, no ugly hole, Holy Terminator mounted to it, all nice brushed aluminum or powder coated. I don't know what I want to do yet. We'll figure it out. And what else we're gonna do? Fiberglass hood. A buddy on the AMC page makes sick custom louvers for this car. An OEM louver for this back window is like $1,000 and it's POS. It's all rusted and just terrible. He also makes ABS plastic side louvers, which are better than the dried out plastic ones that you can get back in the day 40 years ago. Still gonna do the 488 swap. Not going out. It's been raining for 3 weeks and your boy don't want to go dig in the mud. Spend $200 digging in the mud for a 488, but that's to come. Exhaust for sure. The whole thing's gonna be redone. I love it. It's a fun car, but it needs a 373 in it. It needs a Holley EFI and a clean interior. The Holley, the wires look so good in there, which is a plus. Lawnmower looking fly as ever. Don't worry. It'll be out of the way. I don't think we're going to do any builds. Unless you guys want to watch me mow. I mean, I'll look like a buffoon with a GoPro while neighbors But another thing we haven't been uploading outside is we've been redoing this porch. Have a whole bunch of family coming over, taking care of it. So that's I don't know if I'll record that or not, like a vlog. If y'all want to see it, y'all can see it. We'll do it. But I mean, yeah, it's just a quick update. Obviously, J-Belt 3, the channel itself, is just kind of my name, really. It's not gonna be about games. It's not gonna be about cars. It's not gonna be about porches. It'll be about everything. Screw it. Why not? My buddy wants to come over and say, hey, let's paint my windows purple. We'll record it. Don't really have a category for this channel. Don't really care. I just kind of want to, you know, put shit out. You know, what we're doing, what's going on with life. I don't know if I'll just like post maybe some game videos like one day, and then another side of the day, like maybe Friday night or Saturday, we'll do car stuff. I'm waiting on the oil pump to show up. Once the oil pump shows up, where did I put the old oil pump? Over here. Once this ugly thing gets replaced, bolts in right there, then we can start doing the gaskets and cleaning everything up. The Dinnies don't want AC in it, but they want me to keep all the AC stuff just in case, you know, future comes, which is awesome because your boy doesn't understand AC very well, and that's one field I have never messed with. But since we're already got the motor out and pulled out, we're gonna clean it up for him even more. We'll take the condenser out, obviously just the weight, the dry rotted hose and stuff. We'll get it all cleaned out in here. Push it outside, get it all prettied up. Definitely gonna put the diff back in before we do that. But there's a lot going on in this car that I haven't recorded, and it's just been too cold to work in here. It's been too dark. Like when it's usually nighttime when I'm ready to do something on it, and I don't want to record, you know, because it's just dark. Like my lights don't brighten up the day. So now that I got those coming in, I'll do it before and after, and I'm hoping that it's just good. Have some buddies coming over, but now that I got off topic 3 times now, once the oil pump comes in, which it should be in hopefully tomorrow. If it comes in tomorrow night, Streetcar Takeover, I'm probably not going to go to this year. Maybe the fall one. It's been raining. I don't want to drive that in the rain, especially with street slicks. We'll have everyone over. I'll see if I can get my brother-in-law over. I'll upload this tonight, Thursday, and then if we're doing those car videos, I'll pick a day, maybe Saturday, Sunday. We'll upload the progress. But I'm gonna hopefully get them to come on over. We'll have a family day. Work on some wings, or not work on some wings. Work on a motor. Work on a car. Eat some wings. Drink some beer. Have a mini party. And yeah, it's gonna be great. A buddy of mine owns a tire shop down here. I work for every once in a while. Good guy. We're gonna get some wheels and tires ordered in the future. I don't think they want to go OEM. This car's gonna be good. I'm excited. After pulling the transmission out, clutch. Okay, so the car's been sitting for 10 years. Let's get back on the Miata and car stuff now that I'm done with the informational, quote unquote. Redneck's pipe cutter. The clutch is really not that bad. I don't know if that's normal. Let me see if I'm putting this on. I don't know if Miata clutches are supposed to look like they're, I forgot the term for it, like the exhaust tips coated. I don't know if that's normal or just for the clutch, but the clutch didn't really look that bad. I mean, it's getting replaced. I don't know if these springs are supposed to be that loose. I've never had a Miata. But there's definitely some heat spots on good old pressure plate here, and we're gonna replace that, or that's gonna get replaced. So the whole drivetrain itself, it's whatever they want done, obviously, but didn't have to rebuild the motor completely. Thank God we got it taken care of. Good compression. I mean, it's been sitting. I gotta talk to Matt if you ever want to watch some other dirt bike, pit bike racing, and his OBS LS swap 5.3 truck. I'll put his link in the channel. He took his heads to a guy that we work with who owns his own head shop, I think. DNS, I think it's DNS. And his LS ones come out fabulous, so I'm hoping he can do a Miata one. If he can do a Miata head job, then we'll clean it all up and send it to him and let him just doll it up. But if you can't, oh well, it's all right. It's all good. Motor's great. I mean, it's just... Also, this motor's been broken into before because I pulled it off. All this silicone was just like in the water path, which worries me. But then the inside of the motor looked good after I pulled the water pump off. It didn't look like anything was spreading. But yeah, I mean, just a quick update. I'm talking my head off now. I'll upload this tonight. I found out why some of my game videos were being blurry. Turns out YouTube's encoders are just ass. So I'm going to start encoding in 1440p for this and the game stuff. Apparently that'll make it where it uses the VM9 encoder, which is... you still lose quality, but it doesn't drop it down 50% quality. It's like maybe like an 80% out of 100%. The encoder, my bit rate on my video renders on my computer are great. They're like 25,000 BPM. But when it encodes to YouTube, it's 12 megabytes. So it's like, it's pretty much half the footage. So its encoder is cutting out frames and stuff. That's why it's blurry on like fast motion stuff. Obviously, this isn't going to be like crazy fast motion all the time. But if I upload a 1440, then you get the VM9 encoder, which is, say I encode the video at 50,000 bit rate or 50 million bit rate. I forgot I think it's 50,000. No, it's 50 million. It's one of those two. I encode in that, it will render it down to 24. Or not 20, yeah, 24 BPM. But the pixels are from 1440 to 1080 pretty much. It looks so much sharper. So if you're watching this will be the first video on the test. Go to that little, I'll point it, the little gear on the bottom right. If you have a 1440p monitor, I don't know if you can just smack it on if you have 1080p. Click it. Who knows? See what it does. But the 1080p should be a lot cleaner than it's been. Obviously, this is a learning progress, and I'm enjoying every bit of Vegas and Audacity and all the other crap, OBS. That it's just it's a learning curve, but I'm loving it. I'm getting there. I'm getting better. I'm enjoying learning the process. I'm enjoying using it in a creative skill wise. Also, I'm rebuilding my computer. Maybe next week. I think we're gonna do a build off. Not a build off. We're gonna build another Ryzen 9 3900X. I ran with my first computer. We'll go more techie on the techie side. My first computer was a AMD 860K Athlon Black Edition. Pretty generic build. It's like a $400 or $500 build. And that's with the GPU. I played League of Legends and Warframe. Like, I wasn't running Witcher 3 on Ultra, but I was playing games and enjoying it. I'm enjoying the streaming and the editing, but it's cool. We built our own desk, which weighs probably more than my car, honestly. She's got her little setup, her computer set up, my computer set up. First couple edits, we had our headsets, so obviously I get hyped up and I scream, it'll echo in her mic, and I don't want to mute her to hear the echo. I want her voice picked up too. So I bought a Blue Yeti X Professional. Love it, awesome. Little boom stand right in between the monitors. Still dialing and all that. My friend Olivia comes over. There's plenty of room on that table. My brother-in-law comes over. There's plenty of room on that table. We can just smack another game console, put our computer aside, or just use the computer to monitor the spare. But yeah, it's just great. It's fun. I enjoy. I'll have to show you all that. That's a fun thing. But I went from the AMD 860K, which she has in her computer now. When we first started dating, I bought. Not when we first started, but halfway through, she was playing on her laptop League of Legends. Started loving the game. She's actually getting pretty dirty at the game. Like, I'm impressed. It's a fun game. It's also a stressful game. She loves AD carry. She's a misfortune freak of nature. She's really good with her, and she's just learning new champions and stuff. But she enjoyed the game, and I was like, man, I really want to get another computer, match it up. She's playing on a, we'll just call it an iPad, pretty much. It was a terrible laptop. So I bought an i7 4700K, and that's what I have right now is an i7 4700K, still DDR3, SSD I think is pretty much it, and a GTX 1070 Ti is what I'm running right now. She has my old 970 Ti in hers, but it's bottlenecked obviously from the AMD. So I'm going to build a Ryzen 9 3900X because they're just powerhouses right now. It used to be just Intel as the powerhouse, but I'm going to go back to AMD, see how it is, if I like it or not. That'll be the streaming computer. Don't have to worry about secondary computer streaming, blah, 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 blah. We're going to run that. I can even run, well, when I put my good parts in her computer, she'll be able to run good games, because we've been playing Destiny 2 with our buddy Blake, and it'll barely run 30 frames, and she's enjoying that too, which is, heck yeah, let's play that too. We'll start playing it again, raids and stuff. But I want to get her a computer that's not just crap. It can handle it. I mean, even on low, that game is pretty intense on that computer. And it also has like 6 gigabytes of RAM. She'll have all my DDR3, 16 gigabytes. It'll run it pretty well. Like not on ultra, like blah blah blah, but it'll run it really well on high. At least 120 frames, which her monitor is a 60 hertz, so we only need 60 frames anyways, but we'll get it going there. I'm going to DDR4, 3600 millihertz, clock speed. We'll discuss that when we build the computer. So that'll be a fun video. We're going to get into it. I'm going to record her building it. That'll be a fun video. She doesn't know that yet because she probably hasn't even heard anything about it yet because I just brought it up. She's going to have my old parts building it. It's going to be mint. She's going to enjoy that. Have her build it, get it going. And if I wanted to, I can do a NDI link from her computer to mine when we're streaming, to where I can get her camera view on the stream too, like a multicam thing. I'm still learning all that stuff. That would be awesome, especially for like a multi-stream for League of Legends and stuff. There's that. What else? Car stuff. Miata build this weekend. Hopefully, if the oil pump shows up. Green car's getting updated. By the end of this year, the green car will have a 488 in it and a Holley Terminator in it. I don't know about the rear battery yet or the interior, depending on how much, what's the word I'm looking for? How determined I get during the summer. Mowing's picking up fabulous. That'll be great. So I got to do all the mowing on my weekends, or I'll do it after I get off work in the mornings. But that'll probably go to funding this bad boy, half bad boy right now, because she's leaking and not very enjoyable right now. It's squeaking somewhere inside. I don't know where it's squeaking from, but it's just squeaking. I don't like it. Talk to Miata, talk to car, staring at my neighbors as they look at me while I record. Okay. Creepy. Another day in the life of Jonathan. I think that's it, guys. Thanks for the 50 subscribers. Awesome. 50 of y'all want to watch. I don't know if it's the gaming stuff, the car stuff, then me looking ugly in the camera stuff. It's whatever stuff it is, I'll keep doing it. Keep going. Yeah, leave a like. Leave a like in the comment. Yeah, leave a like, actually. Yeah, push the like button. I'll put a little photo right here. A like. Actually, I'll just use this. Casey photoshopped my hand and put a like here. We'll do it. Casey's build. That's going to be tackled sometime. We'll put a Dodge in the channel. I mean, Dodge. Well, I mean, AMC's kind of Chrysler. No, AMC's not a Chrysler. Chrysler bought AMC, so if someone brings that up, oh, Chrysler's AMC. Fuck you. Just go suck it. Off topic. Again. Yeah, guys. I mean, let me know if the pixels look different. It's dark. Lights aren't on. I turn them on, they hum like a swarm of bees. So I don't want to turn them on right now because then you won't hear me. You'll hear. So there's that. Yeah. I'm out. I'm gonna deuce this one. I don't know how to end it though. Bye. That's good. Yeah, that's good, John. That's cool.